In this Intellivue GX video, you will learn how to index. Indexing is the process of taking a scanned document, assigning identification labels to it, and then filing it into a specific application. This video will cover basic indexing steps, indexing to an application with subfolders and document attributes, zonal rope indexing, and recommended indexing options to enable. To begin the indexing process, select the Index tab, click on the List button. An Index Document List window will pop up. All of the indexing lists you have access to will be listed here. An indexing list is a temporary storage location where scanned documents are placed. Select the indexing list you would like to open. Click on the Checkout button. The indexing list will now open, displaying all of the scanned documents. Select a document you would like to index. Select the application you want to add the document to. Some indexing lists will automatically choose the application for you. Enter the folder details for the document into the folder index fields. Click on the Commit button. A post-commit window will pop up. If you would prefer not to see the post-commit window during the indexing process, there is a user option that can be selected to turn off the window. Click on the Delete Entire Document from the List button. A document will now be removed from the indexing list and placed permanently on the server. Then, the next document in the indexing list will be automatically selected and ready to be indexed next. Once you are done indexing, close your indexing list by clicking on the Check-in button. To index a document to an application with subfolders and document attributes, select the Index tab. Click on the List button. An Index Document List window will pop up. Select the indexing list you would like to open. Click on the Checkout button. The indexing list will now open, displaying all of the scanned documents. Select a document you would like to index. Select the subfolder you would like to add the document to. Click on the green arrow labeled Add All Pages. The pages of the document will now be added to the selected subfolder. Enter the document details into the attribute fields. Click on the Apply button to apply the entered attribute details to the document. Enter the folder details for the document into the folder index fields. Click on the Commit button. The document will now be removed from the indexing list and placed permanently on the server. Then, the next document in the indexing list will be automatically selected and ready to be indexed next. Zonal Rope indexing allows you to select typed text from a scanned image and add it to a folder index or document attribute field. To use the Zonal Rope indexing feature, place your mouse cursor in the field you wish to add a value to. Click on the Recognize button. The Recognize button will now display the field name, indicating Zonal Rope mode is enabled. Draw the box over the text you want added to the selected field. A page recognition process will now be performed on the scanned image. The text will now appear in the field. Select the next field you wish to add a value to. Because a page recognition process has occurred on the scanned image, you can now hover over any of the typed text. If the value you want is a single value, click on the value and it will be added to the field. If there are multiple values, you will need to draw a box over the text you want added to the field. Once you are done using the Zonal Rope feature, continue on with the basic indexing steps. Indexing options are located at the top under the Indexing tab. Click on the Options button. An Indexing Options window will pop up. Some of the recommended options to enable are Post-commit retain index values. After a document has been indexed, this option will retain the values previously entered into the folder index fields to be used with another document. Do not show commit append confirmation window. This option will prevent the commit append confirmation window from appearing. Move pages to document on select non-subfolder application. If the application you are indexing into does not contain any subfolders, this option will automatically move the document's pages into the default application folder. Post-commit. This section allows you to choose what should happen to the selected document listed in the indexing list after it is indexed. Prompt for action. A post-commit window will pop up, allowing you to manually choose what will happen to the selected document. The options to choose from are Preserve entire document, Preserve document with unindexed pages, or Delete entire document from the list. Preserve entire document. This option will automatically keep the selected document in the indexing list until you manually delete it, allowing for the selected document to be indexed into multiple folders. Preserve document with unindexed pages. If you decide to index only part of the selected document, this option will automatically keep the remainder of the document that is unindexed in the indexing list until it is ready to be indexed. Delete entire document from the list. This option will automatically delete the selected document from the indexing list. Select the options you would like to use, then click on the OK button to save the options. For additional assistance or questions, please contact support by emailing support@intellinalytics.com or calling 614-921-8170.